everybody. Come on in, come on in, come on in. Hey, everybody. Today I have an unboxing from One Busy Mama. Come and check it out.
Hey S.A.C.C family, how you doing? Kim here. Come check out what I'm making today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment, share, and click the bell to get all the notifications. Thanks for tuning in.
I just want to say thank you so much. And this is a package that I wind up winning on her channel. She's a YouTuber. She's super cool. She does makeup and she does a lot of stuff on her channel. I will put her link in the description below. Right, so let's just get down into this package. This is my first actually makeup unboxing. And okay, so this is my first makeup unboxing. I usually only wear MAC because my skin is really sensitive. But every time I watch One Busy Mama show off and do her makeup and everything, they look really, really good. Like really, really good. So, let me show you. So this was my number that I wind up winning. And, she wind up giving me an envelope. And it came with all this stuff. Okay, so let's see. Let me open up this envelope. Excuse doing everything with one hand. One Busy Mama could do that. Okay, so this is, it says thanks. And it says, congrats on the win. Thanks for being in the chat. Enjoy the goodies. One Busy Mama, Bethany. You see how sweet she is? She's amazing. You guys have to check her channel. She goes live. She does giveaways. She is so amazing, amazing, amazing. So let me show you something. So, I don't even know. It looks so good. Let's see. So, I guess this company is called Melt. They look so pretty. Melt Cosmetics. I'm not sure what this is. Let's look at it together. I always like some browns. I like neutral brownie colors sometimes on everyday basis. It's coming down. But what is it? What is it? Oh, these are eyeshadows, nailed and hammered. Alright, these are some shadows. Let's see. It made a little mess in there, but it's okay. Oh, these are pretty. Made a little mess, but these are really pretty. Look at that. Look at this brownie color. See, there's some right here. Ooh, that's gonna look really nice on this one. Ooh, look at that. What's this one? I got something very similar to this on MAC. Oh, I love that. Can't go wrong with some good shadows. Oh, yes. I Okay, this says Metal Bond Gold Liner. Not exactly sure. I've never seen, please don't judge me. Don't come out for me. I am not a makeup artist. but I love makeup. I do. But I've never seen gel liner. I've never seen it in like, what is it? Is it like a liquid? I'm not even sure. Ooh. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh, look at that color in there. I don't even know what do you do with it? Oh, whoa. I like that color. Ooh. Do y'all see that? I really like that color. It's pretty. Okay, so how do I use it? Do I just use a brush? A thin brush? Do you use it like a liner or like an eyeliner, or do you use it like a liquid shadow or something? If y'all know, let me know. Please put a comment down below, because I am not quite sure. But I love that color. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, let's put some of this stuff over here. Let's put some of that stuff over here. So we did those two. Wait, let's keep it together. So that goes with that. This goes with that. What's my number? Okay, this goes. Okay, what's this? This says all day, every day lip liner. I love lip liners. What color is this one? This one is called Ambrosia. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all the colors of it. I'm so sorry. So sorry, y'all. Okay, so the dark one is called Hammered. The dark brown, which is like a mocha color, is called Hammered. And then the sparkly one is called Nailed for that shadow. This one, this Metal Bond gel liner is called Prissy. So pretty. This is called Ambrosia. It looks like it's like a mauve color. Like maybe it goes with this. Let's see. Yeah, see? It kind of sort of matches with that. Oh, it's pretty. It's really pretty. Look at that. I like that. Oops. Let's see my scales, right? Hold it there. Bam! Okay, and we have another. This is an all day, everyday eyeliner, and it's called Porcelina. Oh, focus. Come on, camera. Porcelina. So it looks like it's like a whitish color. Yeah, it's like a white, but it looks like it got sparkles or something in there. Yeah, it's like a white color. It's nice. I like that. Okay, and we have, this says Last Kiss. Last Kiss Ultra Matte Lipstick. name of the color. Last Kiss. So far, I'm loving everything I see. Yes, that is the name of the color. It is called Last Kiss. Okay. Ooh. Oh, wow. I really hope I don't get copyrighted. I hear this music from outside in the street. Ooh, look at the detail on that. Wow, that's amazing. And it smells yummy. It has like, it smells yummy. I don't know. Ooh, and it's magnetic. Did y'all see that? Ooh, I ain't making this stuff up. Ooh, I like that. That's like quality stuff right here. And she got all of this stuff from, it came from Ipsy. I'm not even sure. I think it's a makeup. Like they have subscriptions for makeup. I have to go check it out because this stuff so far is really nice. Liquid Set Lipstick. Liquid Set Lipstick. What color is this? It says X. Uh-oh. Packaging is everything for me, though. I love it. It looks so sleek. I'm not doing that. It's doing that on its own. It doesn't want to come out. Okay, but this is the color. This is nice. It looks like a it looks like a neutral color. Let me see. Oops, yeah. Look at that. My foolishness. But now I need a napkin. Oh. But I like that. That's pretty. Let me get a napkin. Let's get a wipe. Let's get a baby wipe. Just wipe up. Clean up time. Okay, but I like that. It's a real nice neutral color that I can just wear every day. But still, ain't nothing like my accessory, okay? Alright, and then I don't want stuff to fall when I move this. Okay, there we go. So last but not least is this. It's called 27 Melt Cosmetics. And it's a whole palette. A shadows palette. Like, honestly, I totally forgot this is like all new. Even though that I was on the live. Oops, ooh. It's like when you get it, it's like a big present because I totally forgot like what it was. Oh, I love makeup though. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the colors. I love it. This was beautiful neutral colors. Beautiful, beautiful neutral colors. Nice, nice. This is everyday wear for me. Oh. Moxie. I would use these, especially this one, for undertone, like for my bases. The light color for my bases. Yes. Oh, look at Moonchild. When I want to do like, oh, sorry. You can't see Moonchild. Yeah. I would use, oh, yeah. I love this. Oh, and Crime Fighter is nice too. Well, I love everything. I love everything. Thank you so much. I'm so happy I won. Oh my God. This is a lovely set. I'm gonna have to subscribe. Look at this. You get all of this stuff in one package. I'm gonna have to subscribe, and thank you so much. So once again, this all came from another YouTuber, One Busy Mama, Bethany. She is amazing. Y'all have to check her out. Please check her out. Please check her out. One Busy Mama. One Busy Mama. She does a lot of unboxings of her makeups and everything that she wind up getting, tutorials and stuff. She's amazing. This is so sweet. It's so cute. I wasn't even expecting a little card. I love her. So sweet. Thanks so much, guys, for tuning in and watching this little short unboxing of One Busy Mama. The thing I wind up winning from her channel. It was a giveaway that she had a while ago. Thanks so much for tuning in. You guys are awesome and amazing. Keep on being amazing. Have a great day. Peace.
Sweetarts Custom Creations. S.A.C.C. Sweetarts Custom Creations.
For the latest and greatest in sublimation, visit sweetartscustomcreations.com.